Testing out the wish horn. Should be loud.
There we go. I have to.
Gotta make sure you have the positive on the positive, the negative on the negative side.
What? What?